Enjoy ultimate comfort with minimal effort when you install your exciting new FH Group seat covers. Our universal design makes for a smooth and effortless transition. In this video, we will show you the process step by step. You will notice that the front seat covers are all one piece. The top back side has buckle clip straps to secure to the headrest. And there are 2 elastic loops in the middle and 2 elastic loops on the bottom. Included are 4 butterfly discs and 4 metal clips. Basic setup can begin before you install the covers in the vehicle. Attach a butterfly disc through each loop of the midsection of the cover. Then, attach metal clips to the elastic loops on the bottom of the seat cushion. Now you are ready to begin the seat cover installation. Begin by slipping the headrest cover over the headrest. Grab the straps and connect them together with the buckle clip to secure around the base of the headrest. Then push the butterfly discs through the crevice of the seat bottom to secure it to the back side. Last but not least, attach the clips to the underside of the seat for a secure, snug fit. It's that simple. You'll find that these versatile covers offer your vehicle vital protection and much more. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your easy-to-install seat cushions.